Lana, what is your name?
My name is Agni.
Oh, Agni. I'm from Test English course Pare.
Mhm.
Today I want to explain about my program is Scammer. It's about start from clock of 5:30 o'clock, 5:30. I want to this is listen about memorizing. You have to memorizing five title, and if you don't memorizing, we get a punishment. But after memorizing, the next is class is conversation class. It's like this. We have to in the end of a week we have to around this to conversation with each other, and after this is writing is about we have to writing three essay every day, but if you can do movie you can get out in class. After writing, we have to drilling class is about to teaching you about grammar. It's about this MR or something else grammar. And after drilling class is speaking you have to speak. And you teach about body language. And after speaking class we take a shower. After take a shower we have to movie class. Movie class is we watching movie, and in the end of the movie we have to explain and point about this movie and speaking back to the speaking, and you have to explain with your friends about the movie. And after this you for more. Yes. But if you have a question about a test English course, you can go to the test course. Okay? Thank you.